guys, it's Krista and welcome back to my channel. And I know I've been lost just for a little bit, but I'm back now. I've been home for the holidays and I've just been working for my birthday, which is tomorrow, December 15th, big sack season, and we're gonna working. But today I'm gonna show y'all me getting ready for my birthday. I have a few things planned. Today is the 14th and I have a photo shoot today and I just got my hair done. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all some clips of that because I was trying to do it before, but I just got a new camera, so I'm trying to learn everything. If you didn't know, I know you can know because you can see. While I was recording, my camera died, so I got some clips on my phone. Go ahead and insert some clips of me getting my hair done, and then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for this photo shoot. So let's go. Okay guys, let's get into the hair. I really recommend this hair. It's from AliExpress, like 26 inches, but this is my first time getting a frontal, and y'all, and I love it so much. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for my photo shoot around like 3:30 because I gotta leave so I can get there at 4, and it's downtown, so I need to go ahead and get dressed just in case. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, do my makeup. I'm gonna come back when everything's done, my face, and I have my outfit on. So let's go. got done with my makeup and my hair. I want to go ahead and show y'all my outfit. Shein sponsored me. This whole outfit is from Shein. The dress from Shein, corset Shein, stocking Shein, and the shoes are all from Shein. So yeah, I'm so ready for the pictures. I really hope they come out good. There's different scenes basically I want to do. I want in a parking deck, or I want some with the flash, or I want some with like a nice view like skyline. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm taking my pictures. You're all seen the clips, but we on the way to take some more pictures somewhere else. I just gotta get my Uggs because my feet hurt. Yeah, so I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. I'm back home from my photo shoot. It's 7:05, 7:06, and my birthday is in a few hours. I got a lot of great pictures. Can't wait for y'all to see. Make sure y'all follow all my socials at TheRealChrysta on Instagram, Twitter. My birthday is tomorrow, so I have a few things planned tomorrow, which y'all will see. And you know, I might want to get a piercing. I very much don't know. I will see y'all tomorrow. It's my birthday, December 15th, 19, and I'm excited for today. I have a few things planned. I think it's about to be like 11 o'clock, so let me show y'all my outfit. Crop top, Shein, leggings, AliExpress, flannel, Shein, and my Ugg slides. So I'm getting my nose pierced. We're at Romantic Torture in Raleigh. I'm gonna get this side pierced because this is where I take my pictures on. Jay's here.
What's up, guys?
And Kiki's here. I'm gonna try to film when I get my nose pierced.
You want it to be?
Cute.
This is just the cheese. And take a deep breath.
Oh, that's cute.
That's cute. I'm glad you
You
like
see?
that.
Okay, guys, a bit cleaning up because all my friends are coming over and they're meeting us all here at my house at 4:30, so we can go to Drive Shack and we can go to Calf's Sushi Burger Bar, which I've never been to. That's in North Hills, all around the same area. So we're all meeting here and we're all riding two separate cars, so it'll be easier. Yeah, the same outfit I was wearing yesterday from a photo shoot I'm wearing today since it's my actual birthday. Get dressed. I will see some stuff at the Drive Shack place. So we're at Drive Shack. That's my dad.
I'm with Tyra Banks.
So cute. We're here at Drive Shack. Everything turned out good. Everything turned out good. This is fancy, but y'all, I'm about to post my pictures at 6, but all my friends are here. Let me show y'all.
Hey, it's my best friend's birthday, and that's on that. And period.
This is the best friend. Say hi, best friend.
Hey, so I just want to say happy birthday to my best friend.
Happy birthday, girl.
I didn't finish my speech. I want to say happy birthday to the most amazing best friend. She's been there since day one. There's nobody like her. You can never touch this girl, and if you do, I'm coming for you. Period. Okay, Krista is my baby. She's so, oh my gosh, the most prettiest soul I ever met. I love Krista and her beautiful tail. They're like, it says Jazz. And look at her.
I'm the sister. Hey. And I'm the sister.
And I'm the sister Miss
Period.
Don't worry about Miss Krista.
Ow! Bite you in the face. And hit you.
Right now, it's really the boys versus the boys. It's really my boyfriend versus her boyfriend. But who's winning? Right now, Jay winning. But they've been hitting.
Deshaun was in first though.
You want my opinion? They all cheating. This is not something you can just pick up when you come. You gotta really be doing this.
I feel like for me, it's like
learned the hard way.
the last time I went golfing was Wii Sports, and that was like I was 10 years old. It's 6:58. We about to leave in a little bit, so we can eat.
30 minutes.
This thing, man, my skin look real.
Right? Like, ooh, just beautiful. Okay, and after this,
Sushi. I'm gonna get sushi and a burger.
I'm gonna get sushi and a burger.
I am too though.
I'm gonna get a
That's
burger.
something better be telling.
I don't know.
Sushi.
Okay, I might just get sushi.
I might eat out
Okay.
in the next clip.
And
Yeah,
the
we
next,
like
and the next
I'm finna tear this up. Bye. A few days has passed, but I want to thank y'all for watching this video, my birthday vlog. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to my channel and comment if you're a Sag. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be on the lookout for more content. I just want to say stay true to yourself, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.